Did you see the music sentiment score? It's at plus 0.19, a notable spike that's significantly above the historical baseline. This indicates a growing positive sentiment towards music right now, which is uncommon in our recent data trends. With our API, you can access this sentiment data alongside momentum and semantic clusters, giving you a detailed picture of what's resonating in music today. Imagine building a playlist generator that curates tracks based on real-time sentiment analysis, tuning into the emotional landscape of listeners as it shifts. If you want to leverage this data for your applications, dive into our documentation at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. It's time to enhance your projects with real-time insights.